Hi everyone, welcome back to GI Online Teaching, and we are going to be doing grade 10 and grade 11 work, and we're going to do one example, exam-based example using quadrilaterals. Specifically, I have a parallelogram. Palm is TUV is a palm, and TU is equal to RU. So before I start my sum, I need to digest this information and look at the properties of a palm. So, if I look at a palm or parallelogram, I know that this side is parallel to this side, as well as SV is parallel to TU. Alright, what else do I know about a parallelogram? Is that my opposite angles will be equal to each other. Alright? Let's keep that information for later. And the next part is that TU is equal to RU. And because the two sides are equal to one another, immediately I can see that this is an isosceles triangle where T1 will be equal to R, and somewhere along the line that will play a role in my answer. So the question is calculate angle of R is T1, T2, X and then Y. Let's first go for R1. That's R just basically, which is this angle. Right. And because it's an isosceles triangle, these two angles must be equal to one another. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, I can basically say that angle T and R are the same, right? So 180 minus 68 is going to give me an answer of 112. But remember, it is split between these two angles because it's an isosceles triangle. Divided by 2, and remember, you can do any method. This is just the easiest one for me. 112 divided by 2 is equal to 56 degrees, and my reason is either firstly, over here would be interior angles of a triangle, and the second part would be opposite sides equal opposite angles, and that is our isosceles. Please don't forget to write in reason over here. This is interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Okay, or sorted. Let's go over to, and once you got your information, you can already write it down in your question paper. So that is 56. Right, T2 is over there, and what does T2 lie on? It lie on a straight line. So therefore, I can say T2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 56. And that is a straight line equal to 180 degrees. 180 minus 56 should give me 124 degrees. And immediately I can write it all down over here, 124. Right. Next one is calculating the value of X, and because it's a parallelogram, opposite sides or opposite angles in a parallelogram is the same. So X is therefore equal to 124 degrees, and my reason is opposite angles in a palm are equal to one another. Right, T2 sorted, X is sorted. Let's go and have a look at Y. Okay, Y over here, remember these lines are parallel, and when you think of parallel lines, you always think of your fun angles. That's your co-interior, that's your corresponding, that's your co-interior, and this is your alternate angles. Now, if I have X over here to be, we said it was 124. Right? What letter do you see over here? You see a U, meaning co-interior. And what do you know about co-interior angles? If they are added together, they must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, I can say Y is equal to 180 minus 124, and that is co-interior angles because S T is parallel to BU. And therefore 180 minus 124 is equal to 56 degrees. Now easily this question could be worth about 8, 9 or even 10 marks in your exam. Make sure you break it down into smaller parts so that you can digest what they are actually asking for. And I'm only going to do one example. Most of them, keep in mind, for grade 10 you need to know a lot about a rhombus. You need to know a lot about the parallelogram, including everything else. But the most important thing of Euclidean geometry is to know the properties of your shapes, your lines, and what have you. Until next time, this is GA Online Teaching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page at GA Online Teaching.